Hey guys, today we've got the Phillips family clipper haircut here, and let's check out what's in the box. This just came from Amazon and I've never opened it before, so let's see what's in here. Okay, so this doesn't look really good, but it's just packaging. So that's what we've got in the box. I think this is the manual. Here we've got our cleaning tool. Let me get some light. There we go. This is the power supply. Looks like a proprietary power plug. It uses about 9 watts on the intake. And this is the machine. Let's check it out. Okay, so the plastic is glossy. The sticker says it doesn't have a battery. Let's check out. Okay, so this is the power button. There you can see the power symbol. And I suppose this is that, yeah, to get the correct distance or hair length. And you can check it here in millimeters. So it's all the way from 3 to 21. Yeah, after 21 it's just loose and pops out. So the blade length here is about 4 centimeters. Made in China, used only with the included Phillips adapter. So let's try it out and check how this thing sounds. Because I've got a wall plug nearby. And then we can actually see whether it's as quiet as it's promised on the packaging. Okay, so the power supply is now plugged in, and now this can only go in one direction. Doesn't really snap in, but just starts to, yeah, doesn't go in any farther. Okay, let's check it out. Yeah, it's really not too loud. Let's check for rattling noises. Nope. Here's how you move the plastic distance measure. You press here and then you can slide it. If you don't press, it can't slide. However, this changes the frequency. Alright, that's it. I guess pretty good so far. So thanks for checking out this Phillips head cutter. It was like 16 euros with Amazon Prime and free delivery. Card use only. Ultra quiet. Well, it's just as loud as the 10-year-old one that I already had. Maybe the frequency is a little bit quieter. So okay, it says also easy to clean. Just pop open head, makes it easy to clean. So let's check that out as well. So normally you have to get out this here first, and then yeah, it's exactly the same mechanic as 10 years ago. Here you've got your blade. There's some oil in it. So this comes actually pre-oiled. I've got oily fingers now, as you can see. This thing here turns like this, and because of that it moves the blade from left to right. And when you're done with a haircut, there's actually some hairs that get into the inside, and so you need to clean it from every now and then. Alright, and that's how it closes again. And now let's get this back on installed as well, and then we are finished. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.